Like further close to the red.
I'm going to put the Jurassic theme song over this.
Buddy.
Just found our new home. Holy. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Oh shit, oh fuck.
Bang.
Oh, tracks.
Just like stand by me, eh, bro? Hey. Okay. Okay, I got you. On camera.
Candy camera!
Candy camera.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go down that hill.
Don't want to that bad boy.
I'm gonna.
So yeah, this is the bike chair, bro. Like, yo, imagine riding this though. Like, you know,
There's no way I could ride this. I barely could even walk it.
I used to ride this long ago, but that's when I was athletically
Yeah,
capable.
No, I barely could fucking walk
You know?
this thing. Like, what if a biker comes? What are we gonna
You be
do?
flipping, you be flipping, and the bike be flipping.
You see me right down there now.
Not going there.
No.
R.I.P.
No, I don't want
There
to
you go down there, bro.
Fuck no. I'm fucking, I'd die.
Flops on it, there you go down.
I'd definitely die.
Flip flop. There you go down there, bro. Yo, my ankle is messed, bro.
I dare you to go down.
Fuck no. No. That'd be a nasty fall, man. Guess I'm doing a vlog today.
Oh, careful.
Yeah, look at this, boys. You fall down here, man. You're going right there's like a death trap type shit. Yeah. This is the road. Look at that. Imagine falling right here and then he's smack against that right there. Like,
All the way down.
yeah, man. You're done, ski, bro. Just exploring some trails these guys have never been into. The train's coming.
I hear a train coming.
Ugh.
Can't even see it yet.
Where is he?
Can't see him. Can hear him.
You can hear the train. It's a coming. I don't recommend doing any of this unless you're
Professional.
exactly. Freak. Oh shit. Damn.
Is it a big one?
You just waved.
Hi.
That's
Holy fuck. Yeah, he's gonna get out of there before you kill yourself.
That was wet.
Holy shit, man.
Yo, they cut this off. You were able to used to go under there and come up here, but I guess they cut it off now.
Probably got too dangerous.
Yeah, yeah.
Even this seems sketchy as fuck.
I was like, you see? Where?
Bro.
Holly. Somebody's gonna get penetrated. Look, you can tell somebody went down there and crashed there. Yeah, it's probably from the
See,
these dudes. They're like delivery for the bike riders.
fuck yeah, like if they're giving them that shit, that's good. Nice of them, man. Like saving their life one Relta at a time.
See, look, they put one here.
Yeah, they're saving this.
You know, like,
Oh, well, it looks like a nice little house.
Yeah.
holy boy.
That's where I'll be
Lives
sleeping
down there.
tonight.
Hello.
Yo, check it out. We're gonna go to there. We're gonna go there. We're making our way there, chat. There's a train.
I hear a train coming.
He's vibing out, buddy. Okay, would you guys ride on this?
Fuck no.
Would you guys ride on this thing? Like this tree's gonna do something?
That wood over there is so soft and so rotted.
Look, man, we can freaking get down this way.
Look, that's probably half poison ivy.
Probably.
I just got over poison ivy, man.
Well, why are you touching yourself?
Because it feels good.
No, there used to be trails. No. There used to be trails long. Look over here. Right there. There you go.
Yeah.
Fuck. First time walking downhill or what?
Yeah. First time walking in general. I was a cripple my whole life.
You crip? Shit.
I was like Forrest Gump. I had those big fucking Robocop legs.
Your word. No pics or it's not real, bro.
No pics.
Got pics?
No.
That's not real.
Yeah, it isn't.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Holy. I could hit that. No, I'm just kidding. Fuck no.
Oh yeah, that house.
Oh yeah, it's over here. Look at these momentums, eh?
All the dead riders.
What if that's what it means though, right? You never know.
The riders of the past.
Like, you know? If that's the case, RIP.
There's only 5.
Not sponsored by Pabs.
If that's the case, ride safer next time.
You're savage.
Dead by tree.
Alright, we are going to find this house that I'm gonna call, bro. I'm gonna call him freaking Bear. See? Bear!
Oboe.
Do you like your house?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it nice?
Fuck it.
How much do you pay rent here? Do you want to tell the audience?
$2.50. Slice of pizza.
I invited into your home.
It's a check spot. Yo, the new spot for the boys. I got a scooter.
We got weed. Hold on, I'm putting this spot on my fucking Google Maps.
Pin it, bro. Pin
Yeah,
it.
so we know where this is.
Aren't you glad I showed you? Yo, aren't you happy I showed you this though?
No.
Fuck you, man. Yo, guys, go to his Facebook and spam him with hate comments. No, I'm just kidding.
Call
Don't
me.
do that. You're crazy, bro. What's satanic?
That's just 2 pieces of wood with a bird.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of looks like an upside fuck, man. I can't talk. Upside down cross, I get it.
I thought you turned Asian there for a second.
We're chilling with the day ones. I just met him though, so it's like, you know.
The day ones, I just met him though.
But he's like, damn, bro, you know, he's chill.
Didn't just meet you, fuck. I've known you for a couple years now.
That's true. You got a good point there.
Fuck, who's got a lighter?
This is Helen. She's a lesbian.
She's like,
Mikey,
had to put that in there.
he's an alcoholic. Just kidding.
Yeah.
Respectfully though.
I'm slowly upgrading. I got riverfront property.
He's got riverfront property. Check it out though. Yo, spark that shit up.
Welcome to my cribs.
MTV Cribs. Hold on, K. Yo, it's an MTV Cribs edition, native edition.
Welcome to my cribs. This is the front door area. You can leave your shoes on because who knows what's in here.
Good point.
Living room. This is where everyone comes chill, have a good time. You come down here. That's the bathroom where you go piss, shit, whatever you want. Maybe throw up a couple times.
Whatever floats your boat.
Whatever works.
I don't got a kitchen.
Yeah.
You just gotta have a couple cans of beans.
We're renovating.
Hey,
We're
no.
renovating.
When it rains, the roof leaks.
Steal it.
Yo, there's a canoer right here, bro. Look at him.
Too close to my house.
Check him out. This guy's professional. Definitely a professional. Tell him say hi to the YouTube. Yo, I'm right here. How's your hot? Say hi to YouTube. Oh fuck. I can beat you in a race, bro.
Shut up, you look white as
I'm the way.
We're on a journey. Oh, he's fucking peeing, bro.
these BT muscle.
The fire, it's over that way. Take it right. Yeah.
We call him the muscle.
They call him
Little bit.
can't navigate through nature. Just kidding.
I can navigate. You didn't get us lost.
Fuck no.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck no.
You wanted to go the other way.
But yeah, to the first height.
Shit. I wonder where it is.
What if it's on the fucking?
Oh, the fucking
No, because
trail.
I was smoking it over there or here. I took a puff there or here, so it's not up on the trail. It's should have, or unless it's in the car.
Unless it's a car.
Well, I don't want to go back for it,
No,
so
I want to keep going.
we're taking a break. Break
I
time.
wanna keep going that way.
We're chilling at the new spot with the bros. It's gonna be a different video than all my other ones.
It's gonna be a racist one. No.
He's racist. I'm not. Maybe a little bit. Just kidding though, eh? See though?
Holy fucking. Look
We're
like
just chilling. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, buddy.
Holy fuck, my foot's like a junkie's dream, buddy.
Full of veins.
Yeah, bro.
That's funny, bro. Do you think you guys can hit this? Boom, boom. Crazy.
Oh, that's
Definitely.
shit.
You like your other one better, eh, bro?
Oh, there's nothing. It looks good.
There's nothing.
There's a whole lot of something, but it's nothing.
Down here.
Well, we'll check it out.
Well, I'm going for. Oh no, I think this is just a fishing spot.
Oh yeah, this is where you get your food, eh, boy?
No,
Don't fucking lie to me, man.
I steal it from Walmart.
Jurassic Park fucking ass
See,
scene right
We
here.
could cross this bridge, and I was sitting over on that's the fucking main.
Oh, on that side
Don't
right
be
there, you see?
scared.
Look, you can see it. It's on the side where the railings are. We can just run across that.
You guys, let's go.
Come on, let's go. We can do it. Okay, well, yo, see, we have that right there to go on. Helen,
This is really overgrown. You might. I don't know.
Ellen, I want to call you that on
Just
fucking.
wait, because I'm gonna go up and check. Last time there was a hole cut. I'm gonna go see if it's still there.
It looks like it's still there, you fuck. Just have to. Okay, keep moving. What the fuck?
Something. You hear it? It's gonna be somewhere around the corner anytime. If we can make it across quick, because if they see us on here, they will call the cops.
Well, what do you think? Can you run fast, boys?
We don't have to run fast. We could just walk fast because to get down is on that side, right after that rail on the right side. I'm going. I guess you come.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
You can stay on this side. You got flippy floppies.
Alright, yo.
Don't look down.
Don't fucking.
Don't look down.
Don't do this at home. Nothing.
Don't look down. Keep your eyes open for trains.
Once you hear that rumble, you fucking run.
Oh my god.
It's okay, Helen. We're good. No, we're good. Who cares? Let's go. They're looking the other way. Keep it down. Look at that drop. That's crazy. Helen, make your way this way.
Oh my god, I gotta get.
That's high, eh, bro?
No, this used to be the path down, but look at it. See how you used to be able to get down that way?
Well, which way do you want to go? Either right?
That was,
Look right here. The steps right here, man.
yeah, the whole path is right there.
No, it's not. Fuck.
Yeah, no, 'cause this was the old path right there. But look at it now. Yeah,
We
this
got
is,
to slide down.
Okay.
no, because it used to go down the side over there, like beside the crash cut. And then we gotta, how are we gonna get back up?
We just go around to that other bridge.
That way.
If Helen wants to do this,
I'm not going back across that down bridge.
why not?
We just go this way.
Yeah,
Let's follow
that's-
me.
That's the trail. I thought he was gonna try to go this way.
No, no. Fuck that.
Yeah, no, this is the way to get down.
Guys, watch your steps though, boys. We made it. That's crazy. We're on the other side. And we just followed this trail back.
Well, that was one of my fears.
And you conquered, eh, bro? You conquered, eh, bro?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Well, because look, we're back by. There's the main road.
Exactly.
Boy.
Yo, the only one racist here is you against yourself, bro. Yo, man, look at it. You're gonna go.